Hi, today I'm going to do a non-surgical rhinoplasty. You can see this patient. She has a nose that's almost parrot-like. She's not happy with it, and today we're going to have to improve that contour because she's got the hump and her tip is down. So I'm going to help improve and give her a nice straighter nose and a tip that's rotated up. So we're going to do this under local anesthetic. So I already numb her, and now with a little bit of a filler, and it's non-surgical with a wonderful filler, we're going to give her the nice normal appearing contour. So it's getting better. We're going to give her a straight nasal contour instead of that funny looking hump. Ooh, and you can see the transformation right in front of our eyes. The patient's very comfortable. This contour will also make her nose look longer on the frontal view, because on the front view her nose is a little short, so it makes her nose look wide too. So this is going to give her a nice longer contour on the nose. So already you can see that her bridge is getting to have a more normal straight contour. It's very pretty. Great. Let's just improve that some more. So you can see, wow, it's much prettier, more normal contour. Now let's improve her tip and rotate it up. Turn slightly this way. Beautiful. She's never had nose surgery before, so this is a good way to get yourself like a trial run of what you want your nose to look like without undergoing surgery. And it's not a painful procedure at all, so no pain in the office, under local anesthetic, and right away you can see a much better nose and contour immediately. Wow, it's really pretty. I like your tip now. Looks rotated up, so very pretty. So soon I'm gonna post the before and after photos of the nose, and you can see what a beautiful transformation this is. So stay tuned at Skinzone Med. I'm Dr. Hannah Vu in Southern California.